Struggling to get more views on YouTube? You may not be using the right keywords. Real traffic often comes from hidden, long-tail keywords, the phrases that people actually type into search. In this video, I'll show you how to find those hidden keywords using TunePocket's YouTube Tags Extractor tool. Let's get started. To start, go to YouTube and find a video, ideally from a mid-tier creator in your niche, and copy the URL of that video from the address bar in your browser. Now go to tunepocket.com/tools. Find YouTube Tags Extractor tool and click on it. Now paste the URL of the video and let the tool do its work. The tool will access the YouTube metadata and pull all the tags attached to this video. Here you can see all the tags used by this video along with their relevance scores. Pay attention to keyword phrases that have 3 or more words. Pay close attention to very specific ones, like NHL actual gameplay. These are long-tail keywords that may help connect your video with the right audience. Finally, you can quickly remove the tags that you don't like by clicking the X icon and copy the rest to use in your tags, video title, and in your opening sentence for the best results. That's it. This is how you can quickly uncover hidden, long-tail keywords used by successful creators and make your videos more discoverable. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.